Okay, let's try to see what we can do to connect the TV to the device. I don't think anything that the product came with can do that. It only has HDMI cables, and this doesn't have any kind of HDMI compatibility. So I looked around the house and I found some old wires from an old video camera here. Has like this video audio cable end that I'm going to plug into the TV right there. And then the cord, at the end of the cord, is a USB. So we're just going to go ahead and plug it into USB 1 port. There we go. And now, turn on TV. Let's see what happens. Okay. Try the different channel here. Video 1. Okay. Well, I'm walking into the unknown here. Maybe it's a different port. Let's try the next one. That was me stepping on the bubble paper. Okay.